And I know I said I wasn't going to do another one, and it was going to be different. That I was going to tell you guys the source of all it, but no, I can't do that now. I just out of curiosity, I decided to go here to Space Weather Prediction Center. Check it out. Where is this? Okay, this is 5 hours ahead. This is actually well, it will actually be the 4th in 6 minutes. But that's not what I'm talking about. I see that and I'm like, oh, there's data missing. Guess what? There is. Look. D region absorption prediction. This is the one where I'll hit play, and then I'll move this back and forth, and you can see on the map, and it's black, and then you've got the outline of all the countries and stuff in white, and then it starts to it'll glow up on color depending on the X-ray of absorption. Look at that, missing. I hit play and it shot me back up to the top. Come down here. Oh, what's missing here? Huh, solar cycle radio flux progression. Where is it at? Folks, they took it offline. You don't think there's a conspiracy going on and they're trying to hide stuff? You've lost your melon. I wonder if this one it would even play right, even though it's all BS. I wonder if it would. Oh, it might. Let's find out. Folks, they're hiding stuff. They don't want us seeing things. This is what they do, and it's hard to catch them doing it. Now, there was one that popped off today, just a little while ago. And we'll see if it actually reflects, because there is CME with it. They're not showing it at all. I'm going to check a few other places. Here we are. Soho data. Movie theater. How much more evidence you want, folks? Huh? There it is. The body. Wings. How you doing? Absolutely. That's a much. I'm actually surprised they didn't. I'm actually surprised that they didn't shut that one off. 3:30. Well, this is after when I did my previous video, 13:36. Yeah, because that's 12 minutes exactly. Yep, 12 minutes out. We actually had an explosion. We actually had a flare. I seen a flare on the on one of the other ones that I just happened to look at. I'm like, oh. So I'm like, I'm gonna come over here and see if I can catch the flare pushing something off, like I've done before, like I just showed you guys in one of the previous videos. And he just happened to be right there going, how you doing, buddy? Yeah. So now that you've seen that one very clearly, I know for a fact that anybody and everybody that's been watching these is going, huh, I see it. And that's the end of it. Yep, that's the end of it. But, and this is a heavy but, I can now move the calendar to the 4th, because it is technically the 4th UTC time. Let's see what we can get. Okay, it's not gonna let me. So, folks, start paying attention. You just saw that, and that was right at the time that I said before. Love you all. Be safe.